Hey, it's Eran here. Welcome to a new video series where I'm going to share with you behind the scene every single step of the way of every single tool, software tool that I use to automate and systemize my online business. Now, this is going to include tools that I use every single day, tools that I use just periodically, tools that are one-time payments, tools that are free, tools that are subscriptions, and tools that are essential and tools that are nice to haves. I'm going to give you a complete overview of every single piece that I use to power my entire business. And some of these tools are going to be quite advanced. Some of these tools are going to be very beginner friendly. And I'm going to have you also not only learn from the videos, but I will actually have resources, written resources, such as a blog or a checklist or a download, where you can actually refer to learn in more deeper level on every single part. So you also don't get overwhelmed with the different tools that I have. So you don't go and try and use all of them or implement all of them, because these are different systems and processes that I've built for years in order to get to the stage that I am now. And also, this is something that continues to evolve all the time. So also bear in mind that this particular video series is going to continue to evolve and going to continue to be expanded upon both in written format and also video format. So you'll find any video that I've recorded on this particular topic on my YouTube channel as a playlist. So you'll be able to check it out. And this is going to be available for you if you want to get the updated resources and things along these lines. You're going to be able to find that if you were to go to eran.link/tools. Now, I have just given you the first hint for the first tool that I use in my online business. And this particular tool I use every single day. So if that's of interest to you, this particular tool is going to be awesome. And that's the first tool I'm going to talk about. And it's going to start in the next video where I'm going to share with you the series of all the tools I use in my online business. So go ahead and watch the next video and we'll dive right into every software tool that I use to power my entire online business.